Good morning guys. So for today's video, enjoyin lang natin tong buong accommodation natin, yung mga facilities dito. And yung, alam ko may mga activities sila eh. So, kasi dahil last day ko na ngayon and it's my birthday. So, stay lang tayo dito sa accommodation. Mag-chill tayo. Maybe some good food and cocktails. So, ayan. See you later. Bye.
To the back of the motor that inhale forward, exhale back. Deep breath in, inhale forward, deep breath out, exhale. Beautiful. Now let's take your time here. Slowly bring it back again to the front of your mat. Turn to your right side and to the back, to your left. Go circle. Move, circle, big circle, inhale, big circle, exhale.
So we're just finished the yoga class for 1 hour and it really felt good. So I think pahinga muna tayong konti tapos mag-swimming na tayo. See ya. So guys, kasama dito sa accommodation ko yung free massage everyday. Kailangan lang magpalista dito sa reception. Tatanungin natin kung makakapagpa-massage tayo today. Hi. How can I get free massage for you?
Today we are full, sir.
Well,
Yes. For the pre-massage is full because we have only one therapist today.
Okay.
Yeah, so we have only the paid massage.
Paid massage. How much is
Yes.
that? So guys, maglalakad-lakad lang muna tayo dito sa Canggu. Baka may mabili tayong gagamitin natin sa ating bahay or sa pang-araw-araw natin sa Manila. So see you later. So guys, may nakita ko dito, Love Anchor. Bilihan ng jewelry. Parang Tianggian. Pasok tayo dito sa may nakalagay na 50% clearance sale. Ang mga damit. So, yan. Pasok pa tayo dito. Ito yung magagandang bag. Yung sikat. Daming tite. Dami pa dito sa loob guys. Oh. Actually, sobrang mura din niya. Ito pa. May pala dito sa loob. Ayun po. Tianggian talaga to. Okay, so ito binibigay lang to ng 300 or more. Hindi. Mga 500 pesos. Nasa 2.5 to sa Pilipinas or 1.5, parang ganun. Tapos yung ganito naman binibigay sa akin ng 100, nasa mga 330 pesos yung mas maliit. So sulit siya, di ba? So guys, kung nandito kayo sa Canggu, dito na kayo kung nandito kayo sa Canggu, doon na kayo bumili sa dito dyan sa Angkor Canggu. Ayan. Kasi mura siya. Diyan kayo bumili ng mga pasalubong niya. So, may nagustuhan na ako kaso baka titingnan ko kung ano yung matitirang pera ko. Kakain muna ako. Tapos yung matitira na rupya ko, yun yung ipapambili ko ng pasalubong. So, see you later. Ayan yung massage prices. You are accepting credit cards.
Yes.
Thank you. I'll just maybe go back.
Okay.
Thank you. So, yun. May massage din. Yun yung mga price. Pinakita ko na sa inyo. And they accept ng mga cards, debit cards, ganyan. Ayan pa, oh. May mga sapatos din. Tapos, ay, grocery din doon ako nakita. So, ayan. Dami din dito mga accommodation. May yan, laundry shop pa. Boutique store yan. So, mga scooter, parentahan. So, okay guys, naka-check na ako doon. So, ngayon, mag-ano na tayo. Nag-check na ako ng mga mabibili doon sa Canggu. So, mahaba pa naman yung oras ko. Babalik na lang ako mamaya. And, yun. So, see ya later. Guys, so, ang mura lang nito. Bali, 2 drinks and 1 main. So, let's order na. Let's order here. Dito to sa accommodation ko mixed berry smoothie bowl. Two juices, right?
It's like here one and then this one.
Blended, right?
Yeah, you can choose one.
And then strawberry.
Strawberry.
Mango.
Mango.
And I think hot latte. Mocha.
And longer ice.
Hot. Yeah.
Yeah.
Thank you. So, naka-order na tayo. Okay, this is my food. Tapos may dalawang drinks. So, bali 300 pesos lang siya lahat. Medyo mahal, pero okay na din. So, let's eat.
I don't know, I feel like right now I'm in a age where my friends are starting to have a family and are staying at home mostly.
But as you said, your group will always want to meet new people. That's good. Because I do it too. I always have my own. And but I'm always open to yeah, it's just what you said, like a lot of like when you come down to family. You meet and I was a party there until
So guys, kain na ulit tayo. So lunch na. And ito yung lunch ko. Let's eat.